Hello. In this video, you will learn how to build an adaptive learning experience using 360-degree image interactions in Articulate Storyline. First, get your 360-degree image ready. It could be a classroom, a workplace, or any space learners need to explore. Just make sure it's clear, high quality, and saved as JPG or PNG. Next, open Storyline 360 and insert the image. It only takes a few clicks. Once added, open the 360 image editor. This is where you set up how learners will see the scene. Customize the starting view. Decide where you want learners' journey to begin. It sets the tone for the interaction. Now add markers and hotspots. These can show text, images, videos, or even branching paths. This is what makes the experience adaptive. Learners choose where to go. Finally, preview your project. Check navigation and hotspot placement. Once it feels right, your interactive scene is ready. And that's it. You've now successfully created an adaptive learning experience using 360 degrees image interactions in Storyline 360. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.